Using Photoshop Pen tool. Let's begin with a real photo of a bird as a reference. To make a simple illustration, use the Pen tool shortcut P on your keyboard to carefully follow the bird's outlining by placing anchor points around its shape. Close the path by clicking back on the starting anchor point. To smoothly trace, adjust the handles to match the natural curves. Click and drag slightly. Now that you have your path closed, right-click on the top of it and choose Make Selection. Then create a new layer. Select a brush tool, pick any desired color, and paint directly on the new layer. As you can see, this creates a clean and simple illustration of the bird. You can use this tool on many other situations. For example, if you want to create a simple illustration of a mountain, the Pen tool also helps to quickly illustrate landscapes elements such as mountains. Draw the shape of the mountain by placing anchor points along its outline. If you want, you can adjust the curves manually by dragging the handles. Once the path is closed, convert into a selection. On a new layer, fill the selection with a color. If you want, you can choose green. For additional details, draw a smaller path along the peak of the mountain. Convert it into a selection. Then, using the brush tool, paint it with white, so it blends with the background. There you go, you have your mountain. Suppose the goal is to change the color of the superhero's cape from red to blue. First, select the cape area using the Pen tool, carefully placing anchor points along its outline to precisely trace the fabric's edges. Now close the path and convert it into a selection. Applying a small feather of 2 to soften a little bit the edges. Then simply use the hue and saturation to adjust quickly the shape's color and change it to blue. Very good! If you like the video, please subscribe, give your like, and I see you in the next video. Bye!